have a car is the jeepney or the jeep, wherein it is affordable. We are now heading to near SM Mall, Nicolan. But my destination now is not SM Mall but People's Park. Here we will have a detour go leading to SM Nicolan in a few minutes. We will be there. Join me as I share you my moments in Davao, where life is here. Davao, life is here, and life is here again. Subdivision of South Grove. The drivers are all behaved and they are really respecting traffic rules, especially when they are crossing the pedestrian line. Another pedestrian line here. As you can see, there are persons using the pedestrian line, but my jeepney really is respected and stopped, so they can pass by safe and sound. Oh, there you are. That's SM Mall. One of the awesome heritage mall in Davao. I used to be here. As much as if I'm here, I'm really rejuvenated. No need to have more money, but just a simple window shopping and making a tour inside the mall, relaxing the very cool ambience by the very strong aircon. Let's see if you are seated on the front seat. It's really required that you will have your seat belt. So I have my seat belt now. Mall, one of my favorite place in Davao City. You'll just go there later or next days. I have still my another transaction for today. This is the glimpse of in front of SM City. Many people are going there to enjoy the facilities of this awesome mall in the city. If you like to ride, you have choices. The taxi, the jeepney, which I'm riding now. Share you my day in Davao City, my new life, my new hope, and my new beginning. The next chapter of life. We stop for a moment in as much as there are still vacant seats on this jeepney to accommodate more passengers. It's a wonderful experience to be here, where life is here in Davao. Look at this, we are approaching the pedestrian line, which I usually use also to cross if I'm getting a ride to Olas. But this time, I'm taking the ride already. We have to make a reroute. Still, the jeepney will still go around in the city. Yeah, that's the pedestrian line. SM. Do you know what is the meaning of SM? According to my research, it is humor. The owner, according to what I have searched, he was a former shoe shine, but with the skills, the craft, and with all the creativity, was able to put up his SM mall. And there are many branches all over the Philippines. So for now, this is just episodes that I would like to share to you, my viewers, my Labuaners. I'm really proud of Davao because all the people here are disciplined under the leadership of course the Dutertes, with political rule, with the will to rule with goodness to all the residents and constituents of this place.